In the video, a Pakistani man is seen using a fishing net to catch wild pigeons. While he takes his sheep to graze, he notices a large number of pigeons in his farm. Without wasting much time, he immediately repurposes an old fishing net to create an automated trap. This video is shot with a fixed camera. Let's see how this trap works. He lays the net on the ground and covers it with soil from above. Then, he places 2 bags of food, including corn and a mixture of seeds that pigeons love, on top of the fishing net. The wild pigeons have no idea that they will find a free lunch here. They gradually lower their guard and step into the net to eat the corn. The lure of food is irresistible, and the flock of pigeons quickly descends to enjoy the feast. It seems these pigeons are young and unaware of the danger. Today, this man intends to teach them a lesson that there's no such thing as a free lunch in this world, and all delicious morsels can potentially be a trap. However, there are still a few pigeons that don't leave. They can't resist the delicious smell of the food on the ground. It appears they've realized there's no danger. The pigeons fly away, but then return to continue eating the corn. The man doesn't hastily retrieve the net. He waits for more pigeons to come. It seems that there are hundreds of pigeons gathered in this area. This is a legal bird hunting video from a foreign country, so please do not attempt to replicate it if your country prohibits the hunting of wild animals. Wild pigeons have become a significant issue in Pakistan, reproducing rapidly and attacking the crops of farmers. To reduce their numbers, farmers have resorted to this method. Now, with so many pigeons present, it seems like the perfect time to close the net. The man quickly releases the control handle, and the net springs up, trapping the entire flock of pigeons, possibly over 100 of them, inside. With each trap activation, up to 100 pigeons are caught. The man quickly rushes over and holds the net tightly. Given the large number of pigeons, what do you think he should do next?